George Cotton Harrison, and I'm today going to explain to you about Respawn. So, what is Respawn? Respawn is a pre-recorded video commentary of the gameplay, where participants will become the commenters. Your main task is to describe the highlights of the gameplay. We encourage you to use your own opinion, trivia, and even jokes to make it interesting for the viewers. This is to challenge participant ability to add interactive elements to the gameplay. Objective for the game? If you're wondering about the objective of the game, well, you are in the treat. Because it is quite simple. As a participant, you are required to describe the gameplay in the video and evaluate strategies and tricks of the game using appropriate language and adjective. Here are some rules. Be aware, the video length should be a maximum of 3 minutes only. Do take note as well, only 2 players are allowed per video. Must not use swearing word. Must use English language only. Mark will be deducted if participants use other language throughout the commentary. We have 2 sample videos for you. One is coming from Mobile Legends and one from Among Us. Instructions on how to play Mobile Legends. First, choose your hero. A player needs someone to have something. So decide who you want to be the main first. This decision-making skill will be important when you reach Epic in Mobile Legends. Next, be wary of your laning. In the game, you will have the side lanes formatted for the first 3.40 minutes of the game. The EXP lane will level up your hero quicker. The gold lane will let you earn more gold for your equipment. Then push your lane. Since the goal of the game is to destroy the enemy base, you should destroy the turret that are blocking your way. Make sure you know how to gank. Most importantly, communicate and decide on the lot. Then you will have to push for the win. If you manage to wipe your enemy out, don't go for the creep right away. This is the instructions on how to play Among Us. Among Us is a classic version whodunit mystery with an outer space twist. Players join in a group of between 4 and 10 players, either online or through their local Wi-Fi connections, to perform tasks on the spaceships, sky headquarters or planet base. The problem? One player is an alien imposter out to murder everyone. And it's up to the rest of the group to determine who is it. As play complete tasks to repair the ships or the base and get the crew back home, the imposter attempts to kill others while concealing their identity. Player can call an emergency meeting to discuss who they think is an imposter and why. And once a suspect is voted off, the remaining crew can learn whether the guess was correct or wrong. This continues until either the imposter is identified or the innocent crew member are killed. The game is very simple and straightforward, making it easy for even a not so screen savvy user to learn and play.
Hey everyone, Atik and Tuta here.
Hi to everyone watching. Apparently both teams in Mobile Legends just headed the trade-off.
Yeah, Malaysia going to against the neighboring country, Indonesia. It'll be definitely an interesting match. By the way, the Malaysian team has definitely have a good chance at winning by looking at their skills.
Yeah, they definitely look powerful. The Indonesian group only had one elite, which is interesting.
Anyway, the game started with Malaysian Ruby going straight to the enemy last alone. What he's trying to achieve by going there alone. What do you think?
But
I'll take the buff.
but don't you think that Aokid at least should wait for his another blue team members?
I'm not sure about that. Maybe Ayukis is an experienced player, who knows? Where are the other characters of blue team anyway? You can see here how the Ubi is starting to make his move. Wait, what the heck?
Why? What's wrong? What happened? I'm confused.
The blue team is completely getting ambushed at the front center near the main area. Well played by the Indonesian team. Akai and Lancelot smartly tried to press Aoki's lane. The red team probably saw an opportunity to strike.
Oh, star spot JRE. The blue team needs to stay composed. They have to win.
Oh, the red team saw an opportunity to strike. They almost took down Aoki's and Hellcard. His health is basically critical right now.
Honestly, the red team is well coordinated compared to Malaysian. Oh no, I think the blue team is outrange.
Yeah.
A red team is starting to attack the turret.
Gwyn from the blue team jumps straight into the enemy to protect the turret, but all she can do is die in front of teammate Ruby.
The blue team is gonna lose, aren't they?
Oh no, we see Carrie is getting a bit too close to the red team. Why isn't he running away? He's definitely gonna die there. Okay, Tuta, the game seems to reach its end. It seems we don't have to worry about the blue team anymore with the Lord now by their side.
The red team is trying to kill the Lord.
Oh, they're going to start to slay the enemy one by one. What we have here? He got a maniac! Oh my god! Now the blue team
is the red team is
the red.
Yes, the red team is out. The blue team finally won.
Yeah.
I think that's all from us. Thank you for watching us tonight.
Thank you so much for watching for today. Hello there, Atik here. Together with me is Alex.
Hey, hi everyone.
Today we are commentating on Among Us gameplay. The game started with Red and Pink as imposter. Red is looking very highly motivated. He started the game with sabotaging the light. Let's see if he managed to hit the jackpot.
He's going so fast towards the purple. With one strike, the purple's dead. He escaped through the vent and he's like there.
That as Dornell. Now Red is hunting for his next victim. I wonder if he will make any move near the cafeteria.
Adam hesitating. He's making his way towards the cafeteria.
This is not going to be easy for the imposter.
Oh, dead body reported. They are back in the woods. They're discussing now.
Time for them to discuss and vote. I wish our democracy was this easy.
Well, they can't even vote for the right person.
But look like they cannot come up with any solution. All five skipped the vote.
Oh,
and no one was ejected.
Oh, man.
The game continued with Red in security. He walked off as the sabotage was called.
Dead body found again. They are in the woods discussing.
It's not looking good for the imposter. They might get called out this time.
The question is getting eaten up. I think the Pink is trying to put the blame on Brown.
Yeah, right now the imposter is trying to put the blame on Brown. Both of them are acting together, pushing the blame on Brown.
The imposter. What do you think, Atik?
This situation is not looking that good for Brown. Right now, we need to come up with a defense to protect himself from getting suspected by both crewmate and imposter.
I personally feel that Brown will be ejected. Do you think?
Yeah, this is definitely not looking that good. But now all is up to him. The vote is up to him. He is the only one left.
Yeah. Let's wait.
But turn out it doesn't even matter about his vote.
Yeah, 3 voted for Brown.
3
and
people voted for Brown.
Brown is ejected, and he's not even an imposter.
What a relief for the imposter as Brown got votes off.
Adam there in the cafeteria now. He looked quite stuck there. What is he doing?
That was actually quite funny getting stuck at the door.
Pity
What
him
is
though.
he
Now he's
doing?
going there. Where he's making his way to? It looks
Anyway,
intense. He's
oh,
heading to
anyway,
somewhere.
looking at it, the
Yeah.
communication just got sabotaged. The rat is walking straight into the communication, probably gonna lay out a trap waiting for the crewmate.
Jackpot! What a big brain move. Great job, imposters. They won.
Yeah,
Quickly.
they have definitely won. What a very great move by the imposter. By
Yeah.
first getting the members out, killing them one by one, and now getting the kill at the very last. That's
Being the
all from us today.
Yeah. That's all. Thank you guys.
Thank you guys for watching.
Oh, sorry. Alright, thank you for watching. Aside from the videos, we also have in print instruction in the PDF forms. Good luck and let the best man win.